Hello everyone, Nasir from Financial Markets Club here. This video is on the US dollar. I just wanted to follow up on my previous Forex Signal on the US dollar and just give you a quick catch up on what's been happening. So on my last video, I was talking about how the US dollar looks like it may start coming down. We did see it break this trend line, which I was talking about, and then it tried to retest that sort of level again. Today we had US core CPI come out showing inflation at about 8.5%, which is the highest since 1981, which seems to have caused the dollar to sort of pull back only by a bit. But if I look at the bigger picture, I'm going to go to 4 hours. I see that we're still on track to see the dollar head down. Again, as I was saying in my last video, I'm not too sure what sort of factors might cause this to happen at the moment, but there's definitely some issues going on that will unravel. My technicals are showing me that the US dollar will most probably head back down towards the 98.5 level on the DXY index. Thereafter, there might be some sort of it might hang around here for a bit before breaking below this 4-hour trend line and coming down to around the 94-ish level. So we've got quite a way to go. I think it's a good opportunity to look at other cross currencies like the GBPUSD, Euro USD, which might be a good buy at the moment. As always, it's not always a smooth ride down. There's going to be ups and downs on the way, and there will be other opportunities on the way. Just because I've talked about US dollar coming down from 100 on the DXY index down to around 94, it doesn't mean it's going to be a straight down. There might be other chart patterns on the way. There might be other opportunities of buys and sells. That's part of a trader's job, to identify those small opportunities as part of the bigger picture and try to capitalize on that. Thanks for watching my video, guys. I really appreciate you following my analysis. Please do not go and trade based on this analysis. I highly recommend you watch my previous videos, see how those analyses worked out, if they were fruitful or not, and make a judgment on my accuracy rate, and only then think about trading. I'd really appreciate it if you could click the subscribe button down below and possibly click the bell icon as well. And please do share this analysis. There's a lot of money in the markets. There's enough for everyone to have a piece of the cake. So share this analysis and help each other out.